Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is accomplishment. 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 Accomplishment is a noun that refers to something successfully achieved or completed. It can relate to achievements, goals, tasks, or anything that has been done with skill and effort. Here are some examples. Example number 1. Completing the marathon was a tremendous accomplishment for him. Why accomplishment is used in example number 1. Accomplishment emphasizes the successful completion of a challenging task, the marathon. It underscores the effort and achievement involved. Example number 2. His academic accomplishments earned him a scholarship to a prestigious university. Why accomplishment is used in example number 2. Accomplishment refer to his achievements in academics, which resulted in him earning a scholarship. It showcases his successful academic journey. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.